Hey Janice, my name is I'm so surprised. 2-1 with being here, and when midnight 7:25 I only suspended, so I am in my best friend's account. She doesn't have free chat, so I'm getting on a non-member account that does. 100 gems, yay. I'm not a friend bunny. My friend barely has anything, so you're free to gift her animal 11818. I wish I could move it down. Sorry about my fingers noise. But that's kind of how I adjust my camera. There I am. So yeah. You see, I'm pretty sure I was only suspended for a day. I might text my team, you know? You see, because I thought Ian would be outside, because, you know, I was saying, okay, here it is. Their account. Username. Enter. Copy. Paste. Easy text. I should put a space in between that. Don't type my brother actually made it. Yeah. But apparently she's got some voice electric because she's like asking for guys and everything. Say hi, I'm recording. None of them know me at all, just because I am not on midnight. I am not on midnight, so this is confusing them. Like, I wear a little non-member bunny record. Yeah, a lot. Yo, someone said yo. Yo. Sorry, I just woke up not long ago. It's 9:37 in the morning, but I recorded before. That was rare Monday. Oh my god. Definitely not. But I know it's early for that, but you know, I gotta get my videos in when I can when my friends are at home. So it's peaceful and everything, and yeah. Hopefully I get a laptop for my birthday, and I'll tell you how I got a black foot. I'm just gonna look myself up. I'm sorry, I can take my username like really fast. And like, I got a black short from equalizer, and I love it so much. And I just gotta find a pink long, and I put that back. And I'm pretty sure you can see my small animal. I don't know, but I got a black for it, and I am so happy. Not that it wears that much. It's still black, the rarest color, I'm pretty sure. I also wear it on. Oh my god, stop it! I also wear it on the kangaroo and all, and yeah. Well, shout out to Animal11818, my best friend. She lets me use her account. Thank you so much. And also shout out to Christian Enjoy Forever, but you are banned forever and you quit, but you'll still be there. I know this. I hope you'll come and visit and stuff. Shout out to Puppy Named Jackson. You have to go check out his channel. Puppy Named Jackson. AJ. And also shout out to Kimberly too. Okay. Well, 2, 3, 1, 2. Say 5, 2, 4, perfect. 2, 4. Oh my god, I can't type like crap today. And they're gonna tell you bye real quick, and someone said bye, talkers. Okay, thank you for watching, and also don't forget, mail time midnight 77521 is my username, and don't forget to check out Lions Rock AJ, they told me. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today, and yeah, bye!